Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, igboticnono. If you're looking for a channel to learn Igbo, this is the perfect channel for you, because on this channel I drop video every blessed day. So there is no how you spend 1 hour on this channel without learning how to speak Igbo after watching my videos. Thank you, and subscribe. And if you're an OG, of course you know already, I love you. I have a special place in my heart for you. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into this video. Guys, today's video we're going to be learning Igbo phrases. Yes, Igbo phrases can never finish, because when you know Igbo phrases, you can make your sentences very well. When you know the meaning of what you're saying, it will help you to know when to use it. I don't know if I'm making sense. So in today's video we're going to be learning phrases in sentence. This is no longer going to be a phrase. It can be 2 words, it can be 3 words, but we're going to be learning it today, and it will help you to improve your Igbo vocabulary, to help you to make sentences. There are also tips that can help you to learn Igbo language. Of course, there are phrases in Igbo language that are often used. So tell me, meeting you again, many. So without further ado, let's start. I'm going to look into my notes because already, yes, guys, I have my notes here. I make notes for you guys. This is not, I bring out time. This is that I'm not in a classroom. I bring out time to make notes for you guys. That is why I post video every day, because I make notes for you guys. I try to make these notes in such a way that I am teaching people who want to learn basic. So there is no how I will not make the notes. Okay? So without further ado, let's dive in. Ahamobo. Ahamobo. First instance Igbo language. First instance presentation. There is no way you can tell somebody what is your name. Ahamobo. My name is Ahamobo. My name is Ahamobo. My name is. And also, you went to market to go and buy something, right? Of course, you want to ask the price, what they are selling that thing. Okay? Egole bu iha. Egole bu iha. Or you can say orange bu egole. Oloma bu egole. Oloma bu egole. Oloma bu egole. I grew up saying egole, but that doesn't mean it's different. It basically means the same thing, okay? Don't worry. Oloma bu egole. Oloma bu egole. It mustn't be oloma. It can be other things that are selling in the market. You understand? But the fact is that you're identifying that product and you're adding bu egole. You're identifying that product and you're adding bu egole. It could be clothes. You can say awa bu egole. You're identifying that product and you're adding what? Bu egole. Aqua bu egole. Oloma bu egole. Apopwa bu egole. So you're adding the name of that product and you're adding bu egole. So that is basically it. And the next one here is kebe uzo lekide. Kebe uzo lekide. You're looking for address. You came into an area. You're confused. You're asking someone around you. Especially you came to, let's say you came to the eastern part of Nigeria. Most people there wouldn't like to speak English to you, right? And you want to know where you're going to. And you're in Onitsha. I don't know Onitsha very well. Okay, let's say you're in Enugu and you're going to New Haven. Do you understand? You can say Kebe New Haven de. Kedu ebe New Haven de. Kedu uzo asiaga New Haven. This is also refers to if you're living abroad or living in any part of the world. The thing is to say Kedu ebe. Do you understand? And then another thing here that I wrote out for you guys is Ebeka isi. Ebeka isi. You went out and you came back to the house. Or let's say you're in the house and your friend went out and came back. You said Ebeka isi. You met your friend on the way and you guys are exchanging pleasantry. Like Ebeka isi. Where are you from? It also comes in another way. Ebeka isi. It also means where are you from? Indigenously. Are you from Anambra? Are you from Enugu? Are you from Owerri? Are you from the northern part of Nigeria? Are you from the southern part of Nigeria? Ebeka isi. It depends on the context. If you're asking whereabout, the person already knows you mean where are you coming from. If you're asking, it depends on your discussion. You know which exactly the person is asking whereabouts, or if the person is asking where you are indigenously from. Ebeka isi. Understood? Another one here that I felt that is very important is Aqua ahụ iyi mara mma. Aqua ahụ iyi mara mma. Aqua ahụ iyi mara mma. That cloth you're wearing is beautiful. This also falls in line for dating, of course. You have to be very good at complimenting people. It's good to compliment people. It's not like it's not the one you see is fine, you won't talk. It's not, I just feel that one is envy. If you see something that is fine, you compliment the person. Aqua ahụ iyi mara mma. That cloth you're wearing is beautiful. Do you understand? Another one here that is very important is Afulongenanya. I love you. Afulongenanya. Afulongenanya. I love you. Afulongenanya. You can also say Afulongenanya. Basically the same thing. Afulongenanya. I love you. Another one here I felt is very important is Kedu ahage. What is your name? 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 Somebody comes to you, meeting you for the first time. Kedu ahage. You're like, my name is Ahamobo. Kedu ahage. What is your name? It's very important as well. That is why I made it down on this note. Biko. Please. Biko. Please. You have to be very polite. Saying Biko daily doesn't mean it's not taking your self-esteem. Rather, it's making even your personality high. What you don't know. Being polite is very important. Please means Biko. Please means Biko. Don't be the type that is impolite. It's not giving you anywhere, okay? Another one here is Enwerem. Ekwerem. I agree. Ekwerem. I agree. It's very important too, and that is why I put it down in this note. Ekwerem. I agree. Another one here is Ekwetayim. I don't agree. Ekwetayim. I don't agree. So guys, these are the things, the Igbo phrases for beginners that will help you in your everyday communication. In fact, it's an everyday phrases in Igbo language. Okay, it's going to help you in your daily life. Of course, it's short and it's going to, in fact, I don't even know how to express it, but you see this thing I said here, you're going to be needing it every day. You see the way I selected them. I didn't make it to start putting it in line and everything. I selected them because these are the words that I use almost every day of your life. There's no how you use 3 or 4 of these Igbo phrases that I just dropped now. Thank you guys for watching. Of course, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't given it yet, because when you give it a thumbs up, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 1000 subscribers before the end of this video. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye.